I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a broccoli and cauliflower salad. Now broccoli and cauliflower go really nicely together. They're cousins. They're both from the brassica family, and you notice here they're on a background of collard greens, which is a brassica vegetable as well. You can go in a lot of directions with a broccoli and cauliflower salad, but usually I start it by blanching the broccoli and cauliflower. So here I'm just plunging it into boiling water, and I'm cooking it for less than a minute. Just very lightly cooked. You can also use it raw. So that's really all it needs. I'm taking it out of there with a slotted spoon, so I get the vegetables out, but I don't get a ton of water with them. And while those cool down a bit, I'll show you some of the other things that I sometimes put in broccoli and cauliflower salads. Now you can use oil and vinegar. I like to use olive oil. Red wine vinegar is nice. Balsamic vinegar is also nice. It makes it kind of sweet. Or you can make it creamy and you can just use mayonnaise. Then you can put cheddar cheese and bacon. Those are always fun. You can use all kinds of different vegetables like chopped carrots, chopped red pepper, chopped celery, red onion, green onion. And then some other fun things you could put in there. Here's some cashews and here's some raisins. So now I'm going to break these down into bite-sized pieces. And I'm going to make a simple marinated broccoli and cauliflower salad. I'm going to mix in a little bit of chopped red pepper, some green onion, some carrots. I'm going to use balsamic vinegar, olive oil, and salt. And then I'm also going to add just a little bit of chopped flat leaf parsley. And that is how you make a broccoli and cauliflower salad.